My dear brothers and sisters, there is a poem called The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. In the poem, we find the poet was traveling through a hill area where he reached in a diversion where he was confused of the ways, and there was a one way which was well traveled. There was another way which was less traveled, and he was finally chosen the way which was less traveled by. And it was a hard journey he experienced, and at the end of his journey, he turned back and said, this was really an experience of his new vision. It was totally a change in his viewpoints. He said, the way I have chosen, the way which was less traveled, made him a lot of change, lot of experiences in his life. When we look into the life of Jesus too, he was a man of difference. He went through a life experience which was no one experienced. He traveled differently, where people called him a man of injustice, madman. He was a friend of Beelzebul. He was considered a different person in the eyes of a society. And we know he accepted everything with a purpose. He knew there was a criticism from everywhere. In today's world, we find many young people, they commit suicide because of the accusation. Aged people, they are closed under their doors, behind the doors, because of the accusation. Today, the world is in need of appreciation. But today, many are failed to give appreciation for the growth of others, where Jesus too had the same experience. He was a man who took a different way. He criticized all the practices, all the traditions, where the elders, the Pharisees, which they were looked upon. And we find, we read, the law is not, the human man is not made for the law. Rather, law is made for man. Dear brothers, it is the time of Holy Week. All these 40 days, we were having a lot of practices. We are doing a lot of penances. And finally, we are reaching into the experience of divine. Jesus was really a man of patience, a man of love. He gave everything to us, even his last blood, for the sake of us all. When he was on the cross, he asked us to be loving, to be patient enough in our day-to-day lives. There will be accusation. There will be confusion of the ways, like the poet was confused of the way. Do not be afraid, because the world is not going to give you all the appreciation. Rather, be accepted with the reality. Let us be always look at Jesus in the time of difficulties, struggles, difficulties. There is always one man who is always with us. That is Jesus our Lord. Let this time of Holy Week, let us do not be discouraged. Do not be tensed, confused over the realities of this world. Everything will pass on. At the end of the day, let us look at Jesus and say, Lord, thank you for everything you have given to us. Let this Holy Week, let this Lenten season give us a lot of graces and blessings. May God bless us all.